time गेल्लो आहा. So we are not expecting anything. It is with the Honorable Chief Minister to decide. आणि आम्ही जॉईन जाताना अशी कंडिशन काय घालूंक ना की आमकां मिनिस्ट्री दिवपाक जाय. जे कोणाक दिवपाक आहले ताका दिली Alexis. So we have no comments on this. But if you ask me personally, a lot of work what the people are expecting is not happening. Some of the ministers are working very good. Some of them are not really working for the people. We have seen so many issues and public running from this office to that office or same office 10 times, 20 times to get one work done. So somewhere down the line, if there is no change in the ministry, CM will have to do a reshuffle among the portfolios what the ministers are actually holding. I am not saying that all are not working. I don't want to name also, but खुबशे लोकांची कामां जायना आमचे नदरेक ती येता. हांव म्हणना अमको मंत्री वायट अमको मंत्री बरो, सगळे मंत्री बरे, पूण लोकांची कामां जावपाची गरज आहा. कॅबिनेट जो तर रिशफल जायना जाल्यार तेंचे भितर तरी पोर्टफोलियो रिशफल जावपाची गरज आहा. आनी रिशफल जाता पळय तेन्ना हांव कमेंट करतालो खंयचो पोर्टफोलियो जावपाक जाय पळय. पूण इट इज क्वायट in some of them, like CM is working very hard. If one person is working very hard, ह्या दिसांनी आमी पळयला खुबशे जाण मंत्री आपल्या आपल्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो रिव्ह्यू घेत आहा आनी काम करीत आहा, पण उरलेले डिपार्टमेंट काम करिना काय अशें दिसून येता. तुमकां the people are the best judge, and I feel the media, the print and electronic media knows better than I can comment on it. But it is with the reshuffling is with the chief minister. It is his prerogative, and the party they will decide.
आमदारान स्वतः सांगलं की आपण त्या जागेत तुम्ही हॅपी आसा सर.
It is not about that. आम्ही खंयचेच आश्वासन घेवन हिंगा येवंक ना. So we joined that all our work which was pending for so many years, which wouldn't have happened if we had to be on the other side. We have come for that. आणि आम्ही कामां आमची जाल्ली. There are no complaints. No doubt the roads are being dug up for laying 5 cables. हे काम पयलीं जावंक जाय. Tower line is coming from Korwale main station to Kalangut main station आता जाता पळय ते 220 by 100/33 kVA ची लायन येता पळय ती. तुमी पयला आसतले सालिगांव व्हडलो टावर रेडी जाला. एक 4-5 टावर रेडी जाले. सो ते ती लायन आमकां इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे काम जातले. आमचे वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचे काम मोठे नेटान चालू आहा. शोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट म्हयन्या भितर इनॉग्रेट जाता. ही सगळी खोशेची गजाल. म्हणजे आमी जे कामाक येयल्या लोकांची कामां जावची म्हणून ती कामां टप्प्याटप्प्यांनी जाता. And we are working for the people for that matter from morning till evening, and we will work very hard for the people of our constituency.